In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate chart series by category in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to make your charts build piece by piece so your audience can follow the story behind your data without feeling overwhelmed. First, make sure you have a chart on your slide and click it to select it. You'll see handles around the chart when it's selected. It's important to select the chart itself, not a text box or a shape around it, so the animation applies to the chart elements. Now head to the Animations tab on the ribbon and choose the overall animation style you want. Appear is clean and simple, Wipe gives you a directional reveal, and Fly In adds a bit more motion. If you're working with a column or bar chart, Wipe often looks great because it feels like the bars are growing into place. Pick the one that matches your presentation style. Next, open the animation pane. This panel is your control center for what plays, when it plays, and in what order. It lets you see exactly how PowerPoint is treating your chart animation. In the animation pane, click the entry that represents your chart's animation. Then click the small drop-down arrow next to it and choose Effect Options. This opens a dialog with settings specific to chart animations. If you don't see those options, double-check that the chart animation is selected in the pane and not something else on the slide. In the Chart Animation section, choose how you want the chart to build, by series or by category. By series animates one data series at a time, which is great when you want to compare, for example, product A versus product B across all months. By category animates one category at a time, like revealing January for all products, then February for all products, and so on. Think about what helps your audience understand your point most clearly, and select the option that matches your narrative. Click OK to apply your choice, then preview your slide to see the result in action. Watch how each piece builds in the order you specified. If something feels too abrupt or too busy, you can revisit your animation choice or, if needed, adjust the same animation's timing later to fine-tune the pacing. That's it. You selected your chart, picked a base animation, opened the animation pane for control, chose Effect Options, set it to animate by series or by category, and previewed the slide. Use this approach to guide your audience through complex data, one clear moment at a time.